What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to use the scrolling text effect we looked at in the previous lesson. However, in this lesson, we will change the hard-coded text for variable content. Open the Arduino IDE and load the LED matrix scrolling text sketch we created in the previous lesson. Update the information in the header of our code. Update the program name and description. The program name is LED matrix scrolling variables, and the description is a sketch where we will scroll variables on the Arduino LED matrix. Let's look at making a basic counter. We will declare a variable to keep track of the counter and display it on the LED. Each time the Arduino completes the program loop, it will count up by 1 and we will update the LED. Declare the variables. Add int counter equals 0 semicolon to our variables section. In our setup function, we have a number from before. I want something that is more symbolic of what we are going to create. A counter. I'm going to make use of some animations that were created by Arduino. I've provided a link in the video description where you can see all of the options. Remove the lines from matrix.beginDraw to matrix.endDraw. Before the matrix.begin, type matrix.loadSequence open parentheses LED matrix underscore animation underscore load underscore clock close parentheses semicolon. This will load the animation. If you want to use a different one, just change the name inside the parentheses. Last, add matrix.play open and close parentheses semicolon. We can leave the delay at 2000 milliseconds. This will play the animation for 2 seconds and then load the loop function. Now, in our loop function, let's change the text displayed on the LED matrix to our counter. Change matrix.println open parentheses text close parentheses semicolon to matrix.println open parentheses counter close parentheses semicolon. Also, let's keep the placement of the number in one place. Remove the scroll underscore left in the matrix.end text statement. Last, at the end of the loop, add counter plus plus semicolon and delay open parentheses 1000 close parentheses semicolon. This will add 1 to the counter at the end of the loop and add a delay of 1 second. Great! Let's try uploading our code to the Arduino and see what we get. When the animation loads, you should see a clock animation load for 2 seconds, and then the LED matrix counts. Let's change how the LED matrix displays the text. In the matrix.end text statement, add scroll underscore left inside the parentheses. Let's also change the start position of the digit. If we start it off the screen, it will then scroll into position. In the matrix.begin text statement, change the first parameter, the X position, to 12. This is because we have a 12-column LED. Let's also change the delay to speed up the counting. Change the delay to 500. Great! Upload your code to the Arduino and test it out. Now the counter scrolls from one side of the screen to the other and displays our counter. If you continue to work with an LED matrix, they often have low resolution, so being able to plan how your content will display is something to consider. At the end of this video, you should be able to display an animation and a variable counter on the LED matrix of the Arduino.